a possible fix on Al-Assad in a building at the west end of this town. We're gonna secure the perimeter and grab Al-Assad. Hurrah! Lock and load.
Shoreline, going into view.
Copy, Striker 6-4.
Try in 10 seconds.
Copy.
Taking fire here.
Roger that, we've got RPGs down there.
Shit, that was close.
Got a visual on the target.
Five seconds. Stand by for relay. Down the road! Go, go!
Go, go, go!
Second squad on me to the target building. Move!
Set up the blocking position! Let's go!
There's the target building. Left side door breach. Stack up! Blow the charge.
Breaching, breaching!
Go, go, go!
Clear!
Jackson, take point.
Jackson, throw a flashbang. All call signs. Check the bodies. We need a positive ID on Al-Assad.
Negative ID over here, sir. No sign of Al-Assad here, sir.
HQ, this is Red Dog. Target building is secure, but we don't have Al-Assad. Over. Roger that, HQ. Out. Heads up. I just got word that Al-Assad is broadcasting half a click east of here at a TV station. We're gonna move out on foot and take down the package there. Move out.
That's a kill! Enemy contact! I'm on the second floor! Contact! At that door! South of us! Watch your fire! Moving up! I'm on the second floor! Look out, grenade! Enemy troops! Up on the second floor! Open fire, Marines! Lay down suppressing fire! Hey, check your fire! Friendly's at your six!
in sight.
We've got the TV station locked down and surrounded, sir.
Good. Get in position to breach. Do it.
Breaching! Breaching!
Go, go, go!
Drop him!
Room clear. Move up. Al-Assad should be on the second floor.
Yeah, there goes our boys.
Hoorah! Hoorah!
Hold your fire! Friendly's coming out!
No sign of Al-Assad, sir. All right. Fall in, Marines. Stay frosty. Watch your six, Devil Dog.
I think he's in there. I hear him.
Do it.
Clear! Clear! Route clear!
He's not here.
Talaloon, broadcast is recorded.
Yeah. Score one for military intelligence.
Griggs, turn that off.
Better.
Man, this is Red Dog. TV station secure. No sign of Al-Assad. The broadcast is a recording. Over.
Yo, this
Yeah.
big word halitosis.
Roger that, command. Out.
Marines, rally up. We got a new assignment.
Stay here, kid. Get ready to move out. Let's go.
What's good? Exciting, unorthodox.